So of the two sides, the right hand side is probably the easiest one to install in many ways. So all I simply do is take off the brake lever protector. Now the cool thing about the right hand side is you don't have to take off the throttle control at all. All you need to do is remove the switching panel. It's slightly different to the left hand side. So we take off that, okay, the manual key. Now all we need to do is separate the switching mechanism here so that we can pull it apart, disconnect it from the wiring loom, and then remove it. You need I think this is a T8 torque wrench, so it's quite small and it doesn't come in normal kits. But that torque wrench is used to undo a little torque screw that's located in the switching panel, right, just in closest to the rider. Now, an important point is you only do this on the right-hand side. You do not do this on the left-hand side. The left-hand side, the switching panel, is not pulled apart. Okay, and I'll show you how that works. So remove that. And what that does is it separates the top from the bottom. Now, the second thing you need to do is remove a little screw that's located on the front of the throttle area here, and that's what's holding this part to the actual throttle housing. So there you have it, a little screw that holds that together. Put that over there, and again, that's a T8 I think for that. Now, the only thing you need to do now is remove the wiring plug. So the wiring plug sits in the back of that little switch. Okay, and you pull it out, there you have the switch removed. Okay, now installation of the new one. Alright, so basically what's going to happen is this is going to be positioned here. But before I do that, what I want to do is just make sure I connect the wiring. So you'll notice you've got two sets of wiring here, okay, or two leads that come out. This one, or this lead, is used to join to the other switching panel switch. This one is what goes into the original wiring loom. Right, so there's nothing special, just got to make sure you're going to put it in the correct way. Okay, see how that fits. Okay, the little clue for how this wiring goes together, right, can be seen in that you've got a little hole at the top of the Jetprime plug, and you've got a little male piece that sticks out on one side. So it's simply a matter of matching those. Oh, there you have it. That's connected. Right, so don't worry about tidying that in a sec. All we need to do is attach these two together with, first of all, a slightly longer screw. So the original screws won't work. So there you have it. That's the right hand side.